Recording.
September 12th, 2012.
It's not September 12th. September 14th.
September 14th, 2012. Francesco at Tony's on the Block is going to eat a whole chicken liver.
Wow.
Swallow it down, empty out his mouth in order to get paid.
Wait.
There it is.
Wait. That's fucking gross.
Sausage.
Let's wait.
Okay, ready?
Let me get the main drink.
Oh, now you're really pussy now.
Whoa, okay, you need a drink afterwards.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
No, you can't put hot sauce on it. Can't put hot sauce.
Liver, no seasoning.
Oh, I'd open that if I were you.
And, oh,
What, you're gonna eat it piece by piece?
just throw it down like a,
Oh, that's fucking
throw it down like you're
disgusting.
eating an oyster. Ah!
No!
I gotta get my money.
Go.
I can't believe you.
Yeah, tear it apart. Use the
That's
teeth.
nastier. Go. Okay, pussy, you do it next. You can't stop now.
No, there's no way. Give me